Comrades, mark this day. Today you have decimated the marshals, slaughtered the Karja.
I'll call you later.
Okay, I'll keep them busy. Huh?
Uy, may kiss pa.
Don't go dying on me now.
No, especially kung hindi naman about the graphical finesse yung ano nila, yung take nila. So dun nagkakaroon ng disagreement, no?
Boss.
That arm still hurt?
Top of the ridge to wait in safety.
Sorry. Operator's under strict orders. No passengers till the whistle blows, right?
That's right. Best start crank.
Snake, we can't risk a halo jump this time around. Airspace security has gotten tighter since we were last here. We can't get as close to the ground as we did during the Virtuous mission.
Is that how I get to Barren Light?
Yes, I mean usually, but not today. Not yet.
And why is that?
Well, the Daunt. The whole valley.
Mabuha ka ng ina.
Sila i-execute. So here sa case ng Sony, 'di ba? Kung ano man yung executable file na binabasa ng kung ano man yung current platform ni Sony.
You expect me to believe that this was all the work of a single soldier?
I don't know what else to tell you.
The army insists that this is all a ploy on your part.
Varl.
From you papunta doon sa ano mo, sa destination mo or sa magre-receive ng pera is that since ilalagay mo yan, kailangan yung mga record
Palaban pala yun. Kaya pala. Parang yung camera din. Yung nga lang ito gamit niyang light, yung ano, yung light ng moon.
Let's get to it, hey? Off you go.
Not so fast.
doctor's orders, okay?
Yeah, okay.
I need... What does it... Wag na nga.
As soon as I wrap up some previous commitments, tie up some loose ends. After all, the welfare of Chainscrape's people in a transition like
Nope,
this...
you're leaving right now. Chainscrape will be just fine.
Ah, Savior! Over here! Savior, thank you.
I've
Nakakasira na paglalaro yan.
hit them with acid arrows.
.812, known as the Granin Design Bureau, and is using it to further his plans. But that is not enough to satisfy him. Now he's plotting to seize the secret weapon I have been developing here.
Memorable for you. Diba? And hindi ka naman, wala ka namang parang time and money, no, na kaya mong spend, no, for those
Guys, yosin muna ako saglit. Wait lang guys, smoke lang ako.
Flying over the Arctic Ocean, altitude 30,000 feet, approaching Soviet airspace. Arriving at the designated drone launch point. Drone oil pressure and voltage are nominal. I will drop a recovery balloon. Can you set it up?
mga titos ang buhay. True, no? Yung irony na dapat ang target for those toys, 'di ba? Is mga kids. Blah 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 shit, no? Ang daming shit, no? Kaya minsan din ako naniniwala sa mga ganung giorno eh. Kaya 'di ba, maniwala na lang kayo sa mga small YouTuber na nagre-review na
This isn't over yet.
May bakat ng gulong sa mukha eh.
Don't.
Why?
He's still young.
no, sa ating sa ating chat. Ayan, so hello kila TJ, ayan. Hello din kay Julian. Mukhang umiinom ka, sir, no? The golden So ngayon, since nasa wallet na nila, yung mga executable ng game na yon, no, is readily available or pwedeng i-download sa website. Mostly, alak, sugal, kape, no? I don't know, babae kasama, pero sigarilyo kasama na rin, no? Alak, sugal, ganun. Dito sa
Oh, yeah, yung mga sigurin ko may-ari ng toyo, no?
Ano yung sabi ng babae? Kuya, ba't mo pinapakita yung hihi mo? Yung gano'n na meme. Legit yun. Kamukha yun ng dati kong boss. Promise. No? Parang gano'n na yung parang binibigyang attention ng mga company ngayon compare before na parang dahil binabayaran ka, oh shit, do your work. Diba? Okay, game next. So ngayon, ano yung ating solution, no, for this? Kumbaga parang paano yung sabihin nito, lahat to shared across all of us. So, magiging invalid yung kunyari, gumawa ka ng transaction, mag-add ka ng another transaction dito. Person 5. Parang ikaw, you have the responsibility at some sort na parang ito dito, you give, no, yung reasoning bakit
I think I'm getting close.
mga bumibili, yung mga tatay, no? Yung mga tito. Ayop yan. Sayang. Ako ito, nagwo-work daw habang nagchat dito. Oh, grabe si TJ, oh. Oh, 'di ba? Work from
Saving the game, Snake?
Oh. Should be open to trade. I should see if they have anything useful before I send Wadis off to Barrenlight. Better see what that Karja magistrate...
Wala na dito. Hindi naman nabubuksan to.
Meaning to say, ito yung mga component ng games na kung saan before the final release, no? Kasi kung halimbawa ganito,
Left flank! To the Karja! Run them down!
okay, game next. So ngayon, ano yung ating solution, no, for this? Kumbaga parang paano yung is yung welfare ng tao. 'Di ba? More like dun sa parang alam mo 'yun, well-being mo. 'Di ba? Kaya nga
I saw something! Guess I'm seeing things.
Sir, iba mo yung spelling, sir. Ganito dapat ang spelling ng Zex. Tuturuan kita. Ayan. Ganyan dapat ang spelling lagi. Huwag nyo i-outright kasi binablock ni YouTube. Ni Facebook.
Opal ka, ha? Ito ba yun? Pang din sa mga unang Fatal Frame, eh. Chain lens. Ayun!
Malaki siyang undertaking, to be honest. Especially kung halimbawa, sabihin natin kay Sony or kay Nintendo, na parang bibigyan nila ng attention or care
I had the other nurse search the film. Second time I saw it, I could see her even more clearly. In the film, I could barely believe it. Ako siya.
Of picture natin tong platform. And since we bought, no, binili natin yung game do sa platform na to, so dapat eligible tayo to
Just you and me now, Bo.
We've survived worse.
May ilaw dito. So.
As soon as I wrap up some previous commitments, tie up some loose ends. After all, the welfare of Chainscrape's people in a transition like
Nope,
this.
you're leaving right now. Chainscrape will be just fine.
totally wala na siya doon sa origin, no, but matatransfer yung parang let's say yung content doon sa destination niya. Yun yung something na iba yung nabibigay niya parang ginhawa, no, sa atin. Tipid pa. Kasi nga walang pamasahe. 'Di ba? And the irony para umuugong o nagwi-whistle daw yung mic mo. Hello, hello. Nag-ano ba? Baka piling ko dahil kay Claudie. Yun nga, yung bagsak na presyo ng yen. No, mura yung yen ngayon. So that's why very affordable pumunta ng Japan ngayon.
Maybe I can spend the past unnoticed.
game, na very passionate sa ginagawa nila. Oh, yun na lang, yun na lang paniwalaan nyo. Huwag na yung mga giorno, like, I don't know, ignorance. Like, ignorance. Kailangan kasi daw nila nung pera kahit no, kailangan nila pera. I mean, syempre, kasi dahil nag-ooperate sila as a business. No, yun nga din yung kahit kanino yung exe ng game, 'di ba? Sorry. Available yung exe ng game. So, technically speaking, hindi siya mawawala. Part ito for the preservation, yung emulation, no? Kasi parang syempre, lahat ng mga games na tinabi mo for preservation. So, para ma-experience mo sila ulit, 'di ba? Ang key
of the Brezhnev faction. Go on. Who is the soldier?
Her name is the Boss. She's a living legend.
Excellent. A great success.
Ang creepy ng game mo, sir, nakakapanginig balahin. Kaya nga yun. Enjoy naman. Since Halloween yan, dito yata ako pupunta. Yung double door.
yung art nung casing, yung CD, no? Tapos i-burn yung CD. So maraming proseso. 'Di ba? So maantala yung resupply